What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back on the video with a flea market, of course, with another picking video. Got a little haircut. I don't think I've actually recorded since I got my haircut, but I'm kind of sick. I've been sick past few days, so sorry I'm not really recording. You can kind of hear it still now, a bit sick, but let's get right into the video. All right, let's see what we can find, y'all. Let's see what we can find.
Ahí estaba y lo dejaron tirado. Sí, mire. Ahí está. Mejor me lo voy a llevar, como dice usted, solo le falta el asiento y...
How much is the shoes?
That 190.
How about these ones?
That 170.
Right, thank you. Whew. It's a bit chilly out here. I don't know if you guys like hear the wind going against my camera, but it's a bit chilly. It's a little bit later too. We usually come out here a bit earlier. It's like 10:30 right now though. Came out here a bit later today, so I'm not expecting too much. But I guess we'll have to see what we find. How much for a controller?
PS4?
Yeah, PS4. Alright. That's not bad for a controller. I think you could sell a PS4 controller for a decent price. More than 25. I don't know if I'll buy that though. I think you could sell PS4 controllers for like 40 though. Oh, what's up? You got any single packs today?
You like any of these though?
Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, you have a good one. Oh, that's definitely my silver. Sorry if I keep like my nose is like runny and stuff, like it's annoying. I'm just trying to breathe, but my nose is all clogged.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I like it.
$1, come on, don't be afraid. $1. What is that?
How much for these?
2 days. 2 days.
25?
Yeah.
25 any what you like, bro.
Alright. How much for this? I just like record like for my YouTube channel. I just walk around the flea market and record for my YouTube channel.
What do you want to give me for it?
I mean, I'll give you like $5 for it.
Okay, I'll make sure I ask you what you want to pay for it. So, I mean, I've got duplicates of it. I got a whole bunch of them.
All right. You have change for a 20?
I should, hopefully.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a good day. All right. I've seen a bunch of these. Like my dad has these I see him always have these Coca-Cola like models and stuff. I know this has to sell for like $5. All right, like there's no way it doesn't, right? All right. I mean, not a crazy sale, but like it sells for like 20 to 25 bucks. It looks like so. We'll take it. That's like 5 times our money. You know, we'll take it. There's music everywhere. I can barely record anywhere. Like I'm gonna get copyrighted. Can't get my first copyright strike. I think that's how it works. I don't want that, you know? There's music everywhere. It's bound to happen, not gonna lie.
Oh. With the 2 games. Order places, the 2 games, NBA and Street Fighter.
All right. I think I heard the guy say 240. That is like store price. Like that is the max you can pull out of that. I sold mine online for like 120. Brand, like it was still in the box, and that's what like they're all selling for on eBay. So selling for 240 Now that is crazy because that doesn't even have a box. It's like dirty. It doesn't even look like it might not work. I don't know. People can ask what they want, you know. It's later today though. It's like 11 now, so I'm not surprised that I don't really find much more. I already walked the whole market, but you know, I like to walk it again like twice, you know, see if I missed anything, see if somebody came back. You never know. How much for this Dragon Ball figure?
I was asking 10 on that one.
It's fun. I have enough Vegeta stuff already. How much for like a Pokemon pack?
3.
I was buy a pack. You come here frequently?
Yeah, I used to. I might start again. I don't know. Maybe.
All right,
If you
yeah.
want that, you can have it for 7 if you want the Dragon Ball Z.
It's fun. I need different characters. I need like Krillin and stuff. I already have a bunch of Vegeta. Thank you.
Have a good one, bro.
You too. I walk around here like every week, so if you have more Pokemon packs, I'll like ask and see.
I'll try to have some. I'll probably have more next week.
All right. You have a good one. I'm not really exactly sure what I'm looking for in comics. I remember some guy tried to explain it to me really well. I kind of forgot. So if you guys can let me know in the comments a little bit, like how much to buy.
He left.
Yeah, I know, he's in this truck, he said. You guys can tell me a bit more about comics, like what to look for in comics. I don't really know what I'm looking for in comics. Like I remember some guy tried to show me what to look for, but I don't know what to look for. I know you get like 10 cents is a good one. Like
I think the lower the value, that's what I think.
yeah, that's what I heard. Like lower the value, the older years, of course.
Right, right.
But you guys let me know in the comments. That'd be cool. What else should I look for in comics? All right, it looks like this is pretty much all I want to get today. I got a little Pokemon pack. Paid $5 for this penguin. I'll probably list it for 25. 5 times profit right there. Boom. This Pokemon pack I paid $3 for. I probably won't actually get anything crazy. You never know though. What if I get the best pull I can physically get out of this pack again? That'd be cool, you know? We're on the way into the truck now. My dad is already done picking. He's done fast. He's rushing me, so I gotta go. All right, let's open this little Pokemon pack real quick. Let's not draw it out. Let's just see if we got anything good.
Look, we're not the only idiots to get here this late.
Yeah, but these people probably aren't here to like resell.
Other people are less on top of the ball than us.
They're probably here though to like buy stuff just to like keep it, not really to resell, I feel like. Let's see, anything good in this pack? Oh, nope. All right, not surprised. These kind of feel off. I don't know, I think they're real. All right guys, we're back at the warehouse. Now we're back at the warehouse. I haven't been here.
Where? That's not good.
Like that, warehouse.
I was never in a gang, so I didn't know how to do that.
West side.
I should have been in a gang.
All right, y'all, so we are back at the warehouse. As you guys know, my dad got an amazing storage unit, all these models. Let's show you guys a bit more of them. I've shown you guys like a couple boxes, but let's get a bit more into it because these are crazy. These are good money. You don't think these are that good, but each of these little boxes are like 20 bucks, 15 bucks. Even this little tiny little plastic container, I wouldn't be surprised if it was 20 bucks. So we got a Normandy bunker 1944. They have like models just like, I don't know where they set these models at.
Bring your camera and let's check it out. Let's see if everybody agrees I should have bought this. What do you think when you see a unit like this, Michael? It looks bad, right?
Looks kind of bad.
But if you really just like blur your vision, right? Pretend like you're looking at blurry so that makes it not right. But then you look past the surface and you almost see like a person who really didn't pack nothing, but they blew money on material things. Look at how their mattress is still in the bag, right? That's kind of weird. It still has a tag on it. You see some Jordans. Yeah. You see, it looks like somebody who didn't make a lot, but they constantly just had to buy it, something that they didn't need, right?
How much is he going for?
Where's this one at?
Yeah.
This one's 170.
It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad.
You want to buy it?
Do I want to buy it? I mean, I could probably pack that in the back of a truck, like 2 loads.
What do you want to bid on it?
I'll put 200. Oh, 210.
I bid 210 for you.
You're a crazy guy.
Well, yeah, what's another $10? Somebody else is gonna bid 200. Like,
True.
so it's just, I don't know. I just figure it's always good to go an extra. Whatever you're willing to bid. I don't give a frick if you're buying them for 100, 500, 1,000. Always you throw another 10 or 20 on there, just because the person, like, let's say you went to 1,000 and you bid 1,010. The person's gonna bid 1,000. That might be the moment they get scared because they don't want to entice themselves more. So I always bid 10 or 20 more.
All right, so you guys heard it here first. I might be buying a storage unit. It's a small
I'm
unit.
gonna try to buy one there. So if I buy one there, wouldn't it be wiser for you to buy one at the same place? You can go in and pack it up and film it and
Yeah.
do all that while I'm working on mine.
People just have the big old model setups, different types of things. Maybe for like a train setup, a quad gun trailer. This is a big box set. Seems like all wrapped up. What is this? Is this like, it's like tiny little pieces that goes on like the little models. You know, we got the guns, we got the helmets, we got, these are like bullets. Wow, yeah, these are very detailed. All right, next box, let's just get into one more little box. I don't want to bore you guys and just keep showing these models, but let's show you guys what we got, because we got a lot of these. Let me just show this whole wall again. We got this wall of models here that I already showed you guys before. We got a wall. This is probably like at least $60,000 worth of things if you think about it.
78 of them right there, I think.
Boxes? You said there's 78 boxes?
78.
Oh, I was with the counting. There's 78 boxes. Look, and they're all full. It's not like they're just half full a little bit. They are full to the brim. Look at this.
Untouched, not filmed, not gone on. We've already done some listing if you saw in his previous video, right?
Yeah, he's listed. How many items do you think you've listed?
I'll show you
Probably
right here.
a good amount.
There's 4 totes here, M1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 and 6 over there.
All right.
And then I've done SW 1 through 9, so there's 9 full totes. That's what I've done so far. I really think I'm gonna do over 50 grand in sales. I haven't on the pinpoint yet.
Yeah, probably. If you just stretch it out, I see it. All right, we got a lot of models. We have a bunch of models. We got little toys, little like cars. Like you can have like a whole basement set up, like multiple models. Look at all these. There's a bunch of different little cars. We got a little horse and carriage, another little car. My friend Kalani's here. You guys can see one of my friends on camera.
Yeah.
All right, guys, what's up? This is my friend Kalani. I don't think I've ever shown on my YouTube channel. This is Kalani.
man. Just got here.
You know, this is his first time seeing the warehouse.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my first time on my channel.